Namaste. Myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics, JVN, Rajasthan. Today we are going to discuss about fitness marketing or strategies on how to market your gym. Whether you are a small gym or a large chain of gyms, marketing your fitness club is one of the most important parts of running your business. In some situations, word of mouth marketing can make up most of your member acquisition. However, in more competitive markets, word of mouth sometimes isn't enough. Fitness clubs are local businesses, meaning that they have to compete in a variety competitive local market for patients or clients. So, how do fitness clubs compete in such crowded markets? Here, 11 fitness marketing strategies on how to promote your fitness club effectively to drive new customer acquisition. First is create a user-friendly website. It's no secret that roughly 54% of people look online for a business as their first or second contact point. That's over half of your potential audience. This is where your website can help. In order to attract clients online, you will need a website that is simple to navigate, informative about club location, hours, facilities, and etc. Present in the search engines. It may seem like a tough job to create a website from scratch, and paying someone to do it for you can be costly. Luckily, there are a few digital tools you can use to create a version of your website that will stand in as your gym's digital marketing touchpoint, such as Wix, WordPress, Squarespace. Once you have built and designed a working website, you can link to or attach an API to an existing client portal for your club for new and existing gym members to sign up, make payments, and book personal trainings and classes or other facilities. When creating your gym's promotional marketing campaign, you can direct users here directly with a link or from your website for a quick sign up to get them into your club quickly and painlessly. Once that's all set up, you will need to get users to your website. This is where the search engines come into play. Second strategy is local SEO for gyms. Local SEO is one of the most cost-effective forms of fitness marketing as it's free and can have huge returns on investment if you are ranking highly for local searches. Whether you have gone one fitness club or several, people need to find them easily enough and most of the time turn to local search. They all use phrases like gyms near me or fitness clubs near me or gyms in. These are very competitive keywords, so you are not going to rank highly for just these keywords automatically no matter what you do. You will need to work on your local SEO to rank highly for the keywords so that you can appear in local packs like. To optimize your website to rank locally, you will need to use local keywords in your content, have consistent NAP that is name, address and phone number across your website and citations. Create lots of local citations. Get a Google My Business page. What is Google My Business page? Google is the most widely used search engine in every country except for China, Hong Kong, Japan, Russia, Czech Republic and South Korea. In every other country, Google is the most widely used search engine. If you are in one of the countries not listed above, it's a good idea to create a Google My Business page so that you can appear in local packs. People can find your address, hours, and phone number easily. Potential clients can see your facilities in images. Existing or past users can review your business. A complete Google My Business page will result in your brand showing up in the search engines like this when people search for your brand. People can easily see your fitness center's information on the right hand side and choose to visit your website to get additional details. Just be sure that all club information is updated and you choose the category of your business correctly. If you are managing multiple locations, you can create multiple entries under one account. What is keyword? Keywords are the terms that people type into search engine to find your club. Yes, 72% of time when users search for a business online, they will visit that business within 24 hours. Coincidentally, if someone already knows about your gym, they will search for your brand name. Other times, they will use local keywords to find your gym like the one described above. But whatever the case, be sure to always be as specific as possible when marketing your gym in local search. If you have one fitness club in city, then include the city name in your homepage and in your meta description as it is example. If you have multiple clubs, create a dedicated page for each club on your website with the city name or neighborhood in the title of that page. Each example has the city in the title and meta description, and in case of Glasgow, it's included in the URL as well. You can even go deeper into your descriptions on your websites with multiple locations. An example of this might be located just off the 405 freeway in the Brentwood neighborhood of West Bengal. Gym 123's members enjoy taking a stroll down to the Santo after their workouts or grabbing a quick coffee at this shopping mall before their morning routine. This type of description uses multiple landmarks to identify the gym's surrounding areas, which helps its visibility in the search engines and its overall search marketability. Your descriptions are not only a good opportunity to advertise your fitness business effectively, but also a surefire way to help your search ranking if written well. Now let's discuss about citations. Perhaps one of the most important local SEO factors for fitness clubs are citations. Citations are online references to your business that don't necessarily need to link to your website. All they need to do is have the same NAP, that is name, address and phone number as your Google My Business page, and Google will automatically know to attribute the reference to your business. These citations carry authority as a more authoritative the citation is for your business on that site. The more weight it will carry when Google need to rank your website for searches. The most common local listing sites are Yelp, Facebook, TripAdvisor, and Yellow Pages. There are a ton more, but some are very location dependent. So make sure you find as many as possible that are locally relevant to your business. Example, if I have a fitness club in West Bengal, I will want to look for West Bengal local listings to list my business in. Furthermore, these listings often have ratings and reviews, and the higher your ratings and reviews are, the more weight they will carry in the search engines. In most cases, you can view the ratings from other local listings on the business GMB card in the search results. Some citations will cost money, but if they are from reputable local listing sites, they are worth it. Now, the third strategy we have, track your club's marketing campaign. As we have noted above, a lot of client acquisition happens online. When you are trying to drive users to your website or client portal, it's important to know which marketing channels are most effective for your gym. That's why you should always set up goal tracking in Google Analytics to monitor the success of each campaign. You may need some assistance from a developer to do this, but it's definitely worth it to know which campaigns are bringing you the most leads. Once you set up goals, you will need to attach items, tags to each link you send out on social media, newspaper, newsletters, etc. You can build atom tags here by simply naming each campaign, the medium, and the source. Once you send out the link and someone clicks it and reaches the goal you have set up on your website, it will be reflected in Google Analytics. This will come in handy whenever you send a link out or come up with any other digital marketing ideas for your gym and want to know what the return on investment is. If you want to take it a step further, you can integrate your Google Analytics tracking with the fitness CRM in your club's management system that you know from the beginning which leads have become paying club members. What is data-driven member acquisition? The best way to leverage your data to acquire new members is to understand who your best performing members are. With Perfect Gym's business intelligence module powered by machine learning, you can understand which members are likely to leave your club and which members are likely to stay. The likelihood a member will leave is shown as a percentage. The higher the percentage, the more likely they are to leave, and the lower it means they are more likely to stay. However, when you have members that are less likely to leave, then you know they are your best performing members and you should acquire more like them. Now, moving towards fourth strategy, that is written fitness content marketing. While it's always a good practice for gyms to do content marketing, you should be aware that in the world of search engine marketing for fitness brands, fitness related keywords are extremely competitive and they should be. Ranking for a keyword like how to do a push-up isn't going to bring you a lot of targeted result as people coming to your website for that keyword 99% of time won't be local users. However, ranking for keywords that are fitness and local oriented can help you. Example, locally oriented content as listed below has local targeting built into it. These are best outdoor workouts in, best hikes in, where to buy cheap supplements in. Simply create a blog and start writing about fitness in your area. Now, the fifth strategy is video content marketing. With social media outlets all promoting video content, it's a definite no barrier to join the frenzy to promote your fitness club. Video content allows prospective clients to see what workouts are like in your gym, your clubs facilitates, and how much fun your clients are having. You can use things like Facebook's live stream to show people who have linked your page what's going on in your club in real time. Instagram is also a great outlet for marketing your gym's video content. It It can help when people search by location or hashtags to find out workout plans, classes, or personal trainers in their areas. Sixth strategy is post on social media. After looking at over 100 fitness brands' social media profile, we found that 82% of them post daily on either Facebook or Instagram, and that's no accident. Gym social media marketing has been around since the social media platforms become universally used, as they have the added benefits of engaging your current clients and showing potential customers what workouts and life is like in your club is general. Social media has become one of the most widely used channels embedded in any fitness marketing strategy. Seventh strategy we have: start a referral program. Sometimes the best marketers for your gym can be your members. If you provide excellent services and facilities and incentives your members, you can create a gym referral program to get them to invite their family and friends. When your members refer a friend or family member to your gym and that the new prospect becomes a member, you can reward them both so that they are both more likely to keep referring people, all at little to no cost. There are several ways to implement a referral program. Have it built into your club's mobile app, referral cards, and emails. Now, eighth strategy we have: gym promotions. New year, new me. Probably the most overhyped. New Year's resolution is always to get fit. Gyms typically respond to this fitness related New Year's resolution with massive membership discounts for people who sign up within a given amount of time after the new year begins. There's never really a bad time to offer a promotion, but make sure you take advantage of scarcity, meaning that people are more inclined to purchase something if it's only available for a limited time. Thus, it's important not to let your promotion run year round, otherwise, the value of that scarcity is heavily diminished, and people begin to associate the discounted prices as the normal one. Now, ninth strategy we have: affiliate marketing for fitness clubs. Affiliate marketing is when you set up a process for people outside of your club to refer other people who might be interested in a gym membership to join your gym. It can be a fantastic marketing strategy for your gym as a way to get clients in your door from people they respect. If you have a patient portal set up, you can take payments for new membership while you sleep. Even in the most remote locations, there are a few different businesses that can refer their clients to your club, such as doctors, physical therapists, supplement providers, fitness apparel stores, and personal trainers. Now, the ninth strategy we have: send out a weekly newsletter. You may think that gym newsletters are only for existing clients. That's wrong. Yes, they have contain club news, but they can also be used to market to churned members or old leads that didn't buy a membership. Your churned members may have cancelled their membership, but most often they still stay subscribed to your emails, which means you can still reach them with club updates, promotions, and fitness advice. Now, the 10th strategy are remarketing. What is remarketing? In this, when someone visits your website and doesn't make a purchase, so you position ads elsewhere on the internet, hoping that they will see them and come back to your website to make a purchase. In fitness remarketing, you have a much lower rate of finding out if someone was converted because of your remarketing ads, because they will more often than not come into your facility to sign up. However, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have its merits. Website visitors that are remarketed to are 70% more likely to convert. Typically, remarketing platforms are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Google Display Network. Now, the last strategy is host an event. With all the success, goodwill, and healthy lifestyle your club is helping members to enjoy, you should celebrate. Host a social event at your club or at another venue and tell your members to invite their friends. It's a good way to network and meet someone of their peers so they can experience the positive atmosphere that your staff and members enjoy. Good gym marketing ideas for events are club anniversaries, membership milestones like reaching 1000 club, holiday events, and staff birthday. Whatever the occasion is, healthy mind and body are always a cause of celebration. It just so happens that you can meet some new friends and potentially some new clients from it. Thank you.